How to see or retrieve your purchase history on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of You. Once you're in the You page, head over to this option of Your Orders. Now, over here, you're going to find different tabs such as All Orders, Processing, Shipped, Delivered, and Returns. Clicking on the All Order tab, you're going to find all the orders that you have made in your Temu account. Likewise, heading towards Processing tab, you're going to find all the orders that are in the process to be purchased. Likewise, heading towards Ship tab, in this tab, you're going to find all the orders that you have already received through the shipping method. Well, in order to see the purchase history, you can head over to the All Orders section, and in this page, you're going to find all of your order. If you're searching for a specific item, what you can do is click on the option of self-service to find order. Now, using these options, you can easily find your specific order, email address, order ID, payment information, or the phone number.